Have you ever wondered if there's a way to keep roosters from crowing extremely loudly? There is one trick that you can do to keep your rooster's crows to a minimum. Check this out. Of course, you had to help keep him quiet because he was crowing extremely loud in the mornings, mostly early in the morning. Just to avoid any problems that could happen with our neighbors, we have put velcro on his neck.
There we go.
Okay, right there. You see that? Those are two straps of velcro that we have tightened around his neck. So that prevents him from crowing extremely loud. He still can crow, but it's just very muffled and it's more like a squeaky crowing sound. I have it on camera. If he's mad at us.
See, you can still hear, he can still make his sounds.
Right, see, he can still make noise.
If you ever see him like drooling or anything, you want to loosen the car, but so you don't want to put on too tight, but it does need to be pretty snug.
Not loose enough where it's moving around, but not enough to strangle him.
You'll notice because he'll still be able to crow loud if it's not loud enough.
Putting that velcro collar on his neck definitely muffled his crow from the sound of an extremely loud crow compared to the sound of a rooster's crow when you hear it a block away, how it's not loud anymore. That's the volume of his crow at a short distance, so he's not a nuisance. After using those two small straps on his neck, a few days later, we realized that they are actually not very effective because they keep sliding up and down his neck and loosening up, resulting with him crowing loud again. It was then we realized that we must move on to the next step, which was to use a crow collar. So this is the crow collar which I bought off of Amazon, and it is Velcro. But one thing I do like about it is it does have mesh lines on it for airflow to the rooster's neck, and it also is a wider piece of Velcro to go around the rooster's neck. The wider the piece, the better grip it will have. Let's give this a shot, shall we? This also too is a little quick instruction manual to give you an idea of how to put the collar on his neck. You may pause the video and read through it if you'd like.
Excuse me, ladies. Okay, I got him.
So here's the crow collar and the rooster. Okay. He's mad, he's pecking the collar. He's attacking it, but it's actually fairly simple of how to put these on. You just wrap it around his neck and you make it fairly tight. Not too tight, but just tight enough to work. And look, he's pecking at it because he knows exactly what I'm about to do to him. All right, I'll just hold his hood out of the way. So I'm holding it there. Just put it around and nice and tight.
Okay, let's see.
Just move as many feathers out of the way as you need.
I don't know how. I don't know if I did that tight enough.
You want to make it nice and tight. So I think that should be good. I'm gonna give it a feel real quick. We'll go with that and test the result and see how it goes.
Okay.
But as long as his hood is still able to open, good. All right. So we have put the crow collar on his neck, as you can see right there. And it's got the holes there for ventilation, which is nice, the mesh. So I'm gonna go put him back with his flock and we'll see how effective the crow collar really is. This proves to be very effective, and it also is not harmful to the bird as long as it's not too tight on him, where he can still eat and he can still make noise. It's just a little discomfort, and I really honestly wish we didn't have to do it, but it's for the best. It's so we can keep him. Really hope this video helped you out. I hope you enjoyed it, and please give this video a like and share it with those who can use this information. And I thank you all so much for your wonderful support. I will see you in the next video. This is Aaron Miller from the channel Ryjel Destiny. Protect, unite, inspire, and expand your friends as I have, and it's time to live your dream and become it.